Okay, come on, y'all.
Y'all, come on.
Ladera,
come on.
come on. The camera rolling, come on.
Alright, y'all.
Okay, everybody get in the center so they can see us. And back up. Watch out, Katie. Stop, Katie.
Maybe sit down.
Katie, sit down. She just took my spot.
Oh,
So what? Just make sure the camera see y'all. Get on the ground. Lay down on the ground. No, back up something.
so,
Him my plate.
Okay, so y'all, today we're gonna be eating the Takis and jalapeno. Show me your food, y'all. Show me food. Look, bring it close. Let's see it. Alright, y'all ready? Set, go. 1, 2, 3. Is good?
yeah.
It's a little bit spicy. Alright, Caleb?
Give it to me.
Oh. Okay.
You good? You good, Kylie?
That's me putting showing it our tongue.
Okay, after y'all finish eating your first one, show me your tongue. That's my first one. Okay. It look normal. It look normal.
God, you matter God.
You're hot.
You matter God face.
Okay, show me your face. Yeah. It's hot.
Not hard to me.
No.
It's like this sweet.
I don't eat cream cheese like that. Just correct thing.
Guys, lick my tongue.
Look my tongue.